smaller amount. And we are going to apply it on. Again, if you know exactly where you are going to place your crystal, which is I always know where I'm placing it, but guess what happened? The clients or me always end up adding it more, which is great. Not only make the clients happy, also is make more additional extra on my tickets. So why not make the clients happy and then you're happy too. So no wipe top coat. Oh, hold on. We're not doing white. We're talking about we're doing a matte on this shiny on the first nail, and the second we're gonna do a matte. And both of the top coat the Glitz had total is 4 different top coat. So we have shiny, clear shiny top coat, no wipe. They all no wipe top. And then we have is hollow silver, no wipe top. And then we have the rose gold, no wipe top. So let's move this. What color should we do? I'm gonna do some of this. How about this one, cutie? We can do it right there. We can do it right here. However you want. You don't have to do the way I want it. If you want it, do it however you like. And this one right there. And that's it. Add some flowers. Around. And then this one, add some flowers around. And then that is so cute. If you want to stop right there, you can. But I'm gonna continue. It's funny because I always saying that if you want to stop right there, you go ahead. But I'm continue to moving on. Like I'm gonna add more. Alright, I'm gonna use this sister kit. They're gonna go together because they're so cute together. And I said, if you are done, absolutely. You can hear, but if you're not done yet, you still love the dramatics look, you can add more. No one can stop you from one more. And I love this kit because it has like so much element in there. Oh, this is so lovely. So adorable. I love the combination of these two kits together. Okay. Let me see. I can do this one. Do cute little green right there. That's it. You can go on and on if you want to. If you don't, then like you can stop right there. Also, if you want some beads, add it on. If you don't want, leave it alone. There's so many options. You can keep going on or stop right there. I think either way it's gonna look so beautiful. Maybe I'm missing one crystal there. So great thing about this little cuties here is had all different filler SS. So when you are going with the smaller edges and detail, you can add this like size SS3, SS4 on, and it still look good. So what do you think? Beads, no beads?
Some bead.
Some bead, maybe some bead on the top of the flower. How about that? Okay, leave it alone like this because you see me do beads all the time. And this time I will give the beads a break. And then we're just doing on top of the flowers. Okay, cure for a quick 60-second. But if you are doing a beads on it, do a flash cure for 30-second, and then we'll go right back and put some beads on, and then you can do a full cure after we finish.
Okay, so
30 flash cure. And I'm using the dot 2, which is really versatile. I love it that how we have a dot 2, not beside the designs and everything. We also, this one is super adorable. Just, I don't know what happened with this little, like, summer is coming, but it definitely is just so cute. It's just so, like, ready for the beach. Which is over here, we're in Florida. Pensacola is like really warm now. It's like 80 something. So a lot of people go into the beach on the weekend now, which is awesome. It just like remind me of like a lot of like a summer vibe. So, all right. I love it. And then it's perfect combination of these two kids together. It's so freaking adorable. So I'm going to pick up just a little bit of condensed glue gels. And just like kind of give a quick tap right on the top of the flowers. I mean center and like the middle of the flowers. You don't have to, but if you want some beads on it, you can. Just an option. And I'm gonna using the, oh, I forgot that I put the matte on this one. It looks so cute. So I'm gonna add the matte on this one just a little bit. Just top matte. So then that way it's going to be completely, it's not only, it double secure your beads also. Will finish is after you finish it's going to be dry. It's not going to have any tacky layer at all. I'm gonna add one. You can add like silver or gold bead, however you would like. Add some of the gold. This one and this one. Press it down a little bit, give it a little bit quick, like press down, so it's not gonna like just hang in there. Okay. So now I'm go ahead and cure for 60 seconds.